Assalamualaikum. Today we are starting exercise 2.5, which is of logarithm. So using product law of logarithm, quotient law and power law of logarithm, we will solve exercise 2.5. Starting question number 1, that is use law of logarithm to expand the following. First part is log of product of two terms 9t. Question number 1, use law of logarithm to expand the following. Log of 9t. So first we write the factorized form of 9, that is log of 3 square t. So using product law of log, we separately apply log on both terms with addition sign. So this is product law. And in next step, using power law of log power, 2 will come at start, that is 2 log of 3 plus log of t, which is the final answer. Question number 2 is log of 59 divided by s. Here we cannot write 59 in factorized form. So using law of quotient law of log, we can write it as log of 59 minus log of s. Using quotient law of log. 3 part is log of 5pq square divided by xy cube. So first, applying quotient law of log, we can write it as log of 5pq square minus log of xy cube. Now log of 5pq square using product law. Here log is applied on 3 terms 5pq square, and here log is applied on 2 terms xy cube. So using product law, we will expand them. Log of 5 plus log of p plus log of q square minus log of x plus log of y cube. So here using product law. Now using power law of log, these powers come at start, square and cube. So write the remaining terms same. Log of p, by using log, it becomes 2 log of q. Applying minus on all terms, this is log of x, and it becomes 3 log of y. Power law. So this is the final answer. Question number 4 is log of under root 53.5 divided by 46.4. So first we write this log expression in exponential form, that is log 53.3 divided by 46.4 whole power 1 by 2. Now applying power law of log, the power come at first, that is 1 by 2 log of 53.3 divided by 46.4. Power law of log. So here we will apply quotient law, that is log of 53.3 minus log of 46.4 using quotient law. So this term is with both log terms, so multiply separately with the log terms, that is 1 by 2 log of 53.3 minus 1 by 2 log of 46.4, which is the required answer. 5 part is log apply on two fractional terms. So first, using quotient law of log, we can write them as log of 5 square t5 a power 1 by 3 minus log of 4.4 t b cube using quotient law. Now using product law of log, we apply log on these three terms with plus sign, that is log of 5 square plus log of t power 5 plus log of a power 1 by cube minus, first write the term in exponential form, 4.4 t whole power 1 by cube and plus log of b cube using product law. So by using power law, the power 2 come at start, that is 2 log of 5 plus 5 log of t, 1 by 3 power come at start, 1 by 3 log of a. Now applying log the power 1 by 3, we will write at start, that is 1 by 3 log of 4.4 t plus 3 log of b, power law. Two log of 5 plus 5 log of t plus 1 by 3 log of a. So it become again a product law using log of 4.4 plus log of t. Two log of 5 plus 5 log of t, 1 by 3 log of a minus 1 by 3 log of 4.5. So this 1 by 3 is with both log terms, minus 1 by 3 log of t. So this 1 by 3 is with only these two terms. So the final answer is 2 log of 5 plus 5 log of t plus 1 by 3 log of a minus 1 by 3 log of 4.4 minus 1 by 3 log of t and minus 3 log of b. So in 6 part, which is a log of radical term, so first we convert the radical term into exponential form, that is log of 7t square t cube b divided by d power 6 b square whole power 1 by 5. Now using power law of log, the power 1 by 5 will come at first, 1 by 5 log of 7 square t cube b divided by d6b square using law of log, power law. Now using quotient law, we will apply log as 7 square t cube p minus log of d6b square using quotient law of log. Now applying product law, that is log of 7 square plus log of t cube plus log of p minus log of d power 6 plus log of b square. Now by using power law of log, all powers will come at start, that is 2 log of 7 plus 3 log of t plus log of p minus 6 log of d minus 2 log of b. Now this term 1 by 5 multiply with all terms, so now multiply with each term, we will get answer 2 by 5 log of 7 plus 3 by 5 log of t plus 1 by 5 log of p minus 6 by 5 log of d minus 2 by 5 log of b, which is the final answer. Last part is again a log on two fractional terms. So first we use power law of log to move this power at start, that is t log of cube root of 5.512 p m power 1 by 2 divided by fourth root of 5.91 a square b. Using power law of log. Now using quotient law, we separately apply it. 5.512 p 1 power 2 minus log of 5.91 a square b. Now again using product law for log, plus log of p plus log of m power 1 by 2 minus log of 5.91 plus log of a square plus log of b. Now using power law of log, all the powers come at start. Here power is 1 by 3, so it come at start. Log of 5.512 plus log of p plus 1 by 2 log of m minus power is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 log of 5.91 plus minus minus 2 log of a and then minus log of b. So t is multiplied with each log term, so we multiply it separately, that is t by 3 log of 5.512 t log of p, t by 2 log of m minus t by 4 log of 5.91 minus 2t log of a and minus t log of b, which is the final answer. In question number 2, that is use law of logarithm to combine the following into single logarithmic terms. Like we have to combine them into single log. Like in question number 1, all parts are written in form of single log. So the first part is 3 log of x minus 5 log of y. We have to write it into single log form. So how we can write? First, using power law of log, we write the powers as 3 is the power of x, so we write it as log x power cube minus log y power 5 using power law. Now second, as two logs are subtracted, so this is the quotient law, so we can write them as writing one time log and in division form, log x cube divided by y power 5. So this is the representation in single logarithmic term. Question number 2 is 1 by 2 log of t plus 1 by 3 log of r minus 1 by 5 log of 3. We have to write it in single log form. So first we write them as power using power law of log t 1 by 2 plus log r power 1 by cube minus log s power 1 by 5. This is the power law of log. Now applying product law, that is log product of t and r terms, log t 1 by 2 multiply r power 1 by 3 minus log of s power 1 by 5. Now this is the product law. Now applying quotient law, as two logs are subtracted, so write them as log t power 1 by 2 multiply r power 1 by 3 divided by s power 1 by 5. So this is the quotient law. We can also write them in radical form as log square root of t multiply with cube root of r divided by fifth root of s. Question number 3 is, first we multiply 1 by 7. This is log of 57.7 minus 3 log of 9.24 and up to so on. So first we write the terms applying quotient law on first two terms and write 9.24 with power 3. 9.24 power 3. We apply quotient law on first two terms and then quotient law on the other two terms as log. So here 4 is a power of 36.6 divided by 2 is the power of 23.3. Here two logs are added to each other. Now applying the product rule law, that is we can write both the term as a product with single log. 57.7 divided by 9.24 power cube multiply 36.6 power 4 divided by 23.3 square. So using power law, 1 by 7 become whole power of the terms. So we write them as log 57.7 divided by 9.24 cube multiply 36.6 power 4 divided by 23.3 square whole power 1 by 7, and we can write them in radical form as log of 7th root of all terms. Now write the all terms. Now in 4 parts, we as first two terms are subtracted, so we apply the quotient law. First apply the power rule law, that is log 6 power 5 minus 7 is the power of 9.42. We write them as this. And 1 by 3 is the power of t. Log of t power 1 by 3 minus log of 32.2 power 1 by 2 and plus log of a power 2 by 3. Now apply quotient law. Now we combine all the terms with the positive signs. This is a. We combine all the terms with a positive sign. So this is first term is log 6 power 5, then log of t power 1 by cube, and then log of a power 2 by 3. Now combining the negative terms, minus log of 9.24 power 7 minus log of 32.2 power 1 by 2. So apply product law on the first three terms as they are added together. So write them as a single log with product of these terms as log bracket 6 power 5 multiply t power 1 by cube multiply a power 2 by 3 minus log, taking minus common, this is log of 9.42 power 7 plus log of 32.2 power 1 by 2. Now apply product law on the second terms. Applying product law, we can write both the term as a product with a single log, that is log 9.42 power 7 multiply 32.2 power 1 by 2. Now using quotient law, as log are subtracted, so applying quotient law, writing one time log and then write these terms in fraction form, that 6 power 5 t power 1 by cube a power 2 by 3 divided by 9.42 power 7 multiply 32.2 power 1 by 2. Now we can write these answers in radical form as log of 6 power 5 cube root of t cube root of a square divided by 7th root of square root of 32.2 and 9.42 power 7. Question part number 5 is 5 by 4 log of 37.74 minus 1 by 4 log of 53.71 plus 1 by 4 log of 28.3. So first we apply the power law. 1 by 4 is a power of 28.3. Now applying quotient law, 37 log of 37.74 power 5 by 4 divided by 53.71 power 1 by 4 plus log of 28.83 power 1 by 4. As two logs are added together, so we apply the product law, that is writing one time log and multiply the terms. 37.74 power 5 by 4 divided by 53.71 power 1 by 4. We can write them in radical form as log of 4th root of 37.74 whole power 5 minus multiply 4th root of 28.83 divided by 4th root of 53.71. As all terms having common 4th root, so we write them as taking 4th root and writing all terms over it. Now question number 3 is use law of logarithm to evaluate the following. First part is log with base 2 and argument 15. So by using law of log we can write it as in division form as log of 15 divided by log of 2. So from calculator we find the value of log of 15, that is equals to 1.17609, and value of log of 2 is 0.3010. Dividing these two we get the answer 3.9069. In part number 2 we can let it as x equals to log of base 9 and argument cube root of 9. So we can convert it into exponential form, that is argument remain at its place and this value become power of 9, that is 9 power x. In exponential form we write it as 9 power 1 by 3 equals to 9 power x. So comparing, as bases are same, comparing power we will get x equals to 1 by 3, which is the answer. As in previous part we write the log term in exponential form, so in those part we convert them into exponential form where we can make the bases and power same, either power or either bases are same. So in the questions where we cannot make them same we will write them in division form by using law of log, that is log of 65 divided by log of 3. Now finding the value, log of 65 is 1.813 divided by 0.4771, that equals to 3.7997. So again in 4 part we write them in division form as log of 72.34 divided by log of root 3, as value of log of 72.34 equals to 1.8594 and log of under root 3 is 0.2385, that equals to 7.7942. So in last part we can see that we can write 243 in power in form of 7, we can factorize it in form of 7. So here we will let them as x equals to this to write them in exponential form. So we will let x equals to log of base under root 7 and argument 343, and writing it in exponential form we get 243 equals to root 7 power x. So we can write 343 in factorized form of 7 as 7 cube equals to 343, that is 7 cube, and 7 in exponential form as x by 2. So comparing powers on both sides we will get x by 2 equals to 3. By cross multiplication we will get the answer x equals to 6. So last question is, if log of 2 equals 2.310, log of 3 value given, log of 5 value given, then evaluate the following law of logarithm. We have to factorize these terms in form of 2, 3 and 5 to put the value and simplify the answer. The first one is log with base b, 6 argument 6 by 5. So first we write 6 in factorized form, that equals to log of b 2 cross 3 divided by 5, that equals to applying product law quotient rule, log of 2 multiplied by 3 minus, now applying product law we get log of 2 log of 3 minus log of, now put the values that are given in question. Log of b2 equals to this, log of 3 and log of 5, put these value in this. Log of base b and 2 equals to 0.3010, plus 0.4771 minus 0.60090. So solving them on calculator, we get the answer as 0.7781 minus 0.6990, that equals to 0.0791. In part number 2, that is log of 100 divided by 9. So first we factorize the terms in form of 2, 3 and 5. Now we factorize 100 first, that is 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So we can write 100 as 2 square multiplied by 5 square and 9 as 3 square. Applying quotient law, that equals to log of b 2 square 5 square minus log of 3 square. Now applying product law, which is 2 square plus 5 square minus log of 3 square. Using power law, powers come at first, that is 2 log of 5 minus 2 log of 3. Now put the values that are given in question, that is value of, this is 2, value of log of 2 is given in question as 0.3010, value of log of 5 0.6990, and value of 3 is 0.4771. Now multiplying 2 with the value, we get 0.6020, 1.3980 and 0.9542. Now adding these two, we get answer 2 minus 0.9542, and subtracting we will get the answer 1.0458, which is the. So in question number part number 3, first we factorize 450. So we write 450 as whole power 1 by 3 and 27 as 3 cube 1 by 2. Now applying quotient law, we will write them as 2 multiplied by 3 square 5 square whole power 1 by 3 minus log of b. Applying product law, power come at first, that equals to log of b2 plus 1 by 3 log of 3 square plus 1 by 3 log of 5 square minus 1 by 2 log of 3 cube. Now powers come at first by using quotient power rule, that is 2 by 3 log of b, sorry, it is 1 by 3 log of 2 plus 2 by 3 log of 3 plus 2 by 3 log of 5 and minus 3 by 2 log of 3. Now we will solve the same terms like log of b and log of 3, both terms solve, we will get 1 by 3. So solving by the like 2 by 3 log of b 3 minus 3 by 2 log of b3 plus 2 by 3 log of b5. Solving these two, we get the fraction form minus 5 by 6 log of b3. Now put the values 1 by 3 0.3010 minus 5 by 6 0.4771 and plus 2 by 3 0.669. Now solving them, dividing them, we will get 0.1003 minus 0.3976 plus 0.4660, and solving them we will get the final answer as 0.1688. In 4 part, first we write the number in fractional form so that we can easily make its factor, like log of b. We can write it as 24 divided by 1000. Now factorize 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So we write 24 as 2 cube multiply 3, and we write 1000 as 2 cube multiplied by 5 cube. Now applying quotient law, and now applying product law and power law, we get this. Minus 3 log of 2 minus 3 log of as these two terms are same, so we cancel them. So we only left log of b3 minus 3 log of, put the values of log, that is 0.4771 minus 3 of 99 log of 50. So after solving we will get the answer as minus. So in last part, first we convert the mixed number into fractional part, that equals to 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27 over 5, and we can write it by using in exponential form 27 over 5 1 by 7. Now we can factorize 27 as 3 cube divided by 5. Applying power law, we will get this log of 3 cube over 5. Now applying quotient law, we will get 1 by 7 log of 3 cube minus 1 by 7 log of 5, and power rule we get 3 by 7 log of 3 minus 1 by 7 log of 5. Now put the values, we get 3 by 7 of 0.477 minus 1 by 7 0.669, 0.2045 minus 0.0999. So we will get the final answer as 0.1046. So at that point we have completed our exercise 2.5, all 4 questions with easy trick. I hope you will like it and you will find it useful. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.